তুমি স্কুলে যাচ্ছ না কেন? Why aren't you going to school? Why aren't you going to school? তোমার হোমওয়ার্ক শেষ করেছো? Have you finished your homework? Have you finished your homework? দেরি হয়ে গেছে, তাড়াতাড়ি করো। It's late, hurry up. It's late, hurry up. স্কুল বাস এসে গেছে। The school bus has arrived. The school bus has arrived. আমি আজ স্কুলে যেতে চাই না। I don't want to go to school today. I don't want to go to school today. আজ স্কুলে টিফিন নেই। There is no tiffin at school today. There's no tiffin at school today. কাল আমার একটা পরীক্ষা আছে। I have an exam tomorrow. I have an exam tomorrow. তুমি স্কুলে কি শিখলে? What did you learn at school? What did you learn at school? আমি আমার বই খুঁজে পাচ্ছি না। I can't find my book. I can't find my book. ক্লাসে চুপচাপ বসো। Sit quietly in the class. Sit quietly in the class.